Hey guys, Rob with Aquatic Aesthetics. I've got an unboxing for you today. All fresh water, nothing salt. First up, these look like red flamingo guppies. Yes, they are. Pretty guys. We already had some of those and they've been doing pretty well. And these guys are Santa Claus guppies. And I don't know if you can see from above. They're iridescent on top. These will be great for a guppy tub this spring. These are the common Oscar. These aren't your typical ones you will see at a store. They're not going to have much red color to them at all, but they'll have beautiful markings. We have Serpei Tetris. Good little community fish. A little bit of a fin nipper if I'm not incorrect on that one. Rocious Pygmy Corydoras. I love these guys. You see me bring them in a lot. Great cleaners and great for your nano tank. What have we got here? Oh, clown Placos. Another nano. Not necessarily nano. You're going to want about 10 gallons for them. They're going to go about 3.5 inches. We have some more of the Rocious Pygmy Cories. They're looking real good, healthy. And here we've got, and they're Placos, so they're not going to participate. You guys know the rules. Oh, we got one. These are long fin, blue-eyed, bristle-nosed Placos, lemons. They are not albino, because they do have the blue eye, not the pink. A beautiful little Placo. And those fins, just wow. When they grow out, they really grow out. We've got some honey Gouramis. Nice, healthy looking. And these last guys, everybody's favorite. And a lot of people want them and can't have them just because of their aggression and not wanting to set up a individual tank for them. But these are BB puffers or pea puffers. Very active, good size on them. You can even tell there's a couple males in there. They normally don't show. Let's move on to the next box. Okay, we've got some Bettas right away. We've got you gotta love these guys. We have a Super Delta, Half Moon, possibly a Twin Tail. Not a mustard gas. They did get this one correct. This is a Platinum Crown Tail. a dragon scale betta, a half moon betta. Okay, he may be a half moon, but he's a half moon koi. I really wonder about these guys lately. Sunshine betta. I'm sure it's just someone not paying attention, but they are correct on most of them. And gold Cobra male guppies. Ooh, nice pattern and tails on them. And if I'm not incorrect, this is an unlabeled one, but these guys, yep, that's exactly what they are. These are probably some of the biggest fish you will see in the market. These are Placos, red belly Placos. They have definitely got some growing to do. They are a special order for a customer. And yes, they are going in a large tank. Our next one, we've got platinum chili Dumbo guppies. Beautiful. These guys look like a nano. We'll see what they are. Ah, yes. The Pygmy sparkling Gourami. A little bit aggressive on these guys, but you can put them in a community tank with some fish a little larger and they'll hold their own. I keep them with Odessa barbs. We've got the green Cobras. And in this blue water, they're not showing much color. We'll see them later on. Or at least you will if you come down to the store. Brilliant Rasboras. These guys are a great beginner fish. Very, very hardy. Assorted fancy guppy females. Some color to them, most of them not. And we've got one more. This one is a special order for a customer. And I'll just show you from above. One of our tank room guys, and he needs some ghost shrimp. All right, guys, well, that's it for the day. And I'm gonna get this uploaded, get these guys floating, and get some sales going. Until then, see you at the store.